Playwright and its web element methods. So in the last lecture we have already discussed like how to launch the Playwright and its a basic code, like playwright is equal to playwright.create to initialize, and then browser to open the browser, like here Chromium, like a Chrome browser, then a browser context and page. Then using page.navigate method, then we have page.title, page.url. These are the different methods which are to work on the browser, right? Then now in this video we'll discuss about methods to work on the web element. What is mean by working on web element? When we open the URL, this is our suppose web page, and we have to insert like here we have to pass the value, so we will use methods, right? So such methods we will discuss in this video. So we have to like click here, this is the button, right? We have to click here. So like this, these are the button click method, then we have here fill method. So like this we have some different methods that we'll discuss in this video. So let's go to our Eclipse and okay. So the first method will be click method, right? Okay, so I have written code to launch the browser. Playwright is equal to playwright.create, browser is equal to playwright.chromium.launch, and this code is to make it set headless as a false, because we want to see what is going on in the Chrome options. So then browser context is equal to browser.new context, and page is equal to browser context.new page. Okay, after writing the basic code of a Playwright, then we will open our URL page.navigate ring.com. Then we will take a like page.title, page.url, and we will print the title and web page URL. Okay, after that let's understand first click and fill method. So click method is used to click on the buttons, then for the URLs and all the options that we have present on the web page. Okay, so let's in the locator we have used page.locator, and this is the XPath we have found on the web page. This is of search icon. Here we have search icon. When we will open the URL, we will be on the home page, right? And on the home page we have this search icon, so we want to click on here. So I have found the XPath of this search icon, and we have stored here variable search icon, and we have the way to write the XPath or web element address in Playwright is like this, using page.locator, and we have to directly pass here the XPath, and we have to give the variable based on the kind of action that we are performing, or the element that is on which we are working, and here it's a locator. Okay, now on the search icon we want to click, so there is the same click method in Playwright to click on the web that button. Then we have next element as a search product. So here we will find the XPath for search field. Here the search field is this search ring products, right? Then I have found the address, XPath address, and then we have stored page.locator XPath address, and the variable name will be search product and locator. And using search product we have field method. So whatever we want to send inside that search field, whatever we want to search, we have to use field method, and we have to pass this string, whatever we want to use there, we want to search there. In is a here it's a label, and it takes us to some other sign in page, right? So we have to check whether this is enabled or it's disabled. So I found XPath here, page.locator area sign in area label. This is the XPath of the sign in and the sign in logo. So in the system.out.println sign in logo is disabled and sign in logo is enabled. So as per the web page it's enabled, right? So it will return as a true, and this is disabled, it's written as false, but we will check after execution what it returns. And then I am using a thread.sleep, it's a static wait. We will discuss the dynamic waits in the upcoming lectures, but currently it's we are just using static waits, thread.sleep. Then we have next methods like isVisible and TextContent. So on the web page, if we have to get some text, currently we are having this, what can we help you find? So if we have to find this text, or we have to get this text on the console, so we will simply find the XPath for this and we'll store here. uh, Currently it's page.locator double slash h1. This is the XPath for the that label, this label. And we will give locator page label. So here page label dot text content. So using this text content, we will get the text present on the page in our console. And we have other method is visible. It checks the visibility of the element, whether it's present on the web page or not. If it's not present, it will return as a false. If it's present, it will return as a true. So here we are checking the visibility for the same page label, so it should give us a true. We'll check that in the execution. And we have last method, count method. So here it will check the count of the number of anchor tags. So we have used page.locator double slash a. It is anchor tag. It will check the links present on the web page. So we are printing system.out.println links.count. So it will print the count of the links. So let's execute and check whether we get the correct results or not. Let's wait for its loading. It opened the Chrome browser. Okay, it now clicked on search. So the first method worked here. Then it added using field method outdoor security cameras. Then it closed the browser. So that was the last method, page or close. So in the console, if you see click and field method, then is disabled and is enabled methods. So where is enabled, is disabled. So here it returned as a false because it's enabled, right? Sign in logo. That's why it returned as false. And is enabled, it's true. That's why it returned as a true. Then for is visible and text content method, it returned text as what can we help you find. And then it is visible, it's true, right? Then in the for the count method, it returned count as a 301. So yeah, this is the important methods, web element methods for Playwright. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.